better because it's safer. Pag dito ka moagi, you don't know if the motorcycle will hit you because it's a go. It's a very short distance, right? Now, same it is. Not waiting for the. That's dangerous.
There's a light, like there's a. I feel like you're not stopping.
It's our turn now. It's our turn already. You must. Kumuk na kayo, drive ba itong sakinan lang ka? Sige, magod siya kadagan. Wala na yung bukol niya. What happened to the girl? Is it the room? Sa una kay diri ra man ka mo diretso ra man ka, di ba? Remember? Then you put four lanes man yun.
What does the line mean again? Like
Broken line, you can overtake. You can overtake as long as it's safe. But if it's not safe, even if there's a broken line, you cannot overtake. Ha? You will always go on. Take the... You can always take your risk. Something like that. You cannot even if it's broken line, but it's not safe to go on. To overtake because somebody's coming and they are pas-pas. That's where you analyze. Ha? Hangga? If it's you na driving ba?
But what if it's not a broken line?
You strictly no overtaking.
What do you call this? The yellow line and the white line.
Yeah. When there's a yellow line and then a solid line, extremely no overtaking. But if there's a solid line, no overtaking only. You must learn that lang ha? Ha? Dapat kuhan ka na. Learn ka na. Nabalugi ka sa rules. It will kuhan you, protect you from accident. Like that one. There's a yellow na. Remember that one? Extremely no overtaking one. Ka 3 meters, that is safe. There's a kid. See the kid? Big helmet. Is he able to breathe pa? Do you see the boy? No? Riding a here, there's some car come out, no? We will calculate. Slow down. Masignahan yung bawas. washing.
Washing your car.
Kicker lang ka ha. Agi na ka sa stone.
Morning!
Sirado lang ka. Push.
Bye.